Today I'm going to be making a bird training stand under $3. Let's get started. What you'll need is a block of wood, two sticks, a hammer, and nails. Okay, let's start. You'll need the smallest nail and you'll need to put it through the middle of your wood. You need to hammer it in. Try to make it as straight as you can. And then you need to get your piece of wood and hammer the nail in the middle. Now you need another small nail, so you could hammer it through this stick in the middle. Once you have it hammered through, you just have to put it to the top.
Does it stay?
Yeah. And now you have your bird training stand. Now let me try to put a bird on it. Okay, I got Coco and Fluffy on it, look. This is Fluffy and the other one I think you guys know it's Coco.
Yeah.
It's just an easier way to train them than always having them out. And you can also use it as like a bird stand. And you can add more things to it. I guess that's the end of the video. Me, Coco, and Fluffy will see you guys later.